Hello friends, this is Malhar and you are watching DM Talks. Welcome to the another part of structures in C. And before starting the video, please press the subscribe button, and besides subscribe button there is the bell icon by which you can get the regular notifications of the videos of DM Talks. So let's start. Our today's table of content we are going to see the third type of initialization of structures, then the array of structures, and then the structure as a function argument, and at last we are going to see nested structures. All this topic will be covered using a program which we have covered in our first part of structure. So let's start. Let's start with our first topic, that is third type of initialization of structure. In this third type of initialization, suppose a structure has a data member of integer and it has three integer data types or three integer variables as ABC. Then you can assign the value of ABC in any order. This was the limitation before C99, that you cannot assign the value of integers in different order, but now we can assign it into different order. So let us see how to assign it. For that we have to make a structure variable, and let us make the structure variable as book1, then press the equal to sign followed by two curly brackets, then use dot operator to represent that variable. Let us write as b and assign its value as 20. Then to separate two variables, use comma. Then let us assign c as 20, then b. So no, b already is assigned, so a is equals to, let's say, 30. Now by this way we can assign the value of same data type in any order. Now to print that, simply we have to use the printf function as we have used earlier. As this is integer, we are going to use %d. Our variable name is book, and member first we are going to print is a, then second member such as b, and the last member is c. Now let's build it. So we have no error, and that's done. So here is the output in which it can print the value of a, b and c. So in this third type of initialization, you can assign the value of the variables a, b, c in any of the order. Unlike any other primitive data types, we are going to create an array of structures. To create an array of structure, simply write books1 followed by 10. So it is going to create an array of 10 elements with index 0 to 9, and to access the values of the array index 0, let's see, books1 is our book variable, and we are going to assign a value to such as suppose book ID as 1, 2, 3, and we are going to print that value as %d, comma, let us copy all this, and likewise we can access the value of books like this. So we have no error and run. So this is the output in which we get the value of array index 0 of book ID of structure variable books. And like this we can create multiple variables of structure and multiple array of structures by creating the multiple variables. Now let us move towards the third topic, that is the structure as a function argument. Let us take a simple example of array or a structure as a function argument. So let us create one function named print, and in its argument let us write one structure which is already created, and let us give its argument. Now let us copy this over here and change this to b1. So now the variable of structure of this function is converted to b1, and let us call that function over here. So here we have created a function in which it has a structure as its argument, and when we are going to call that function we are going to give the structure variable as its argument. So here our structure variable is book1, so we have given book1 as an argument. So when we are going to run this program, first all the 4 values are going to be scanned, then first 2 values are going to be print over here, and then the print function is going to be called. Over that the call is gone over here, and here book1 is assigned to b1, and we can get the values of b1 of subject and b1 of book ID. Now let's build it. So we have no error and run. So let us give title as ABC, author as ABC, subject as ABC, and book ID as 123. So we can get our output as ABC, ABC and 123. Now let's start with our last topic, that is nested structure in C. To create a nested structure we are going to write a structure inside a structure. Let us create a structure named A, and it has 2 data members, subject and book ID, and let us give its variable as A1. Now to access the subject we need to write A1. Now to access the book ID we need to write the A1, and to print we need to do the same. Now let's build it and run. ABC, ABC, ABC and 1 2 3. So we get the same output. So like this we can create the nested structure. Nested structure means structure inside the structure. Here we are going to conclude our video. If you have any doubt or any suggestion related to this video, then please comment down below. Like, share and subscribe DM Talks for more upcoming videos. Till then, thank you. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.